What's up guys, in this video I'm going to be installing this shark fin antenna on my 2013 Focus ST. It says when I bought this, it said that it should work all the way to 2018 Mark III focuses, so it doesn't even have to be an ST. It could just be an RS or SE or anything. And it actually is a pretty simple installation too. It is really easy. And this one I bought, and it's already color matched to my car too. So it's already in Oxford white. It's slightly off, but you really can't tell unless you're looking for it. So it already comes in colors for the cars. I saw red, silver, and then I think a few others, but I don't know about all of them, like tangerine scream and those colors. But anyways, it could be painted since it's so cheap. I think it's around $20, and I'll try to leave the link in the description if I remember to go buy this, and if not, just someone ask me in the comments and I'll put it there. But it was super cheap, and I think it looks way better than the black one. I already have the Ronin factory shorter antenna there, so it looks better than the factory one. The factory one is quite a bit longer and it flops around in the wind and stuff, so this should be way better. And it comes with everything you need to install it. I'll go ahead and show you. So it should still be functional. I actually already tested it and it worked fine, even though it was so cheap, which is surprising but good. So you have this little wire here, and then there's that little antenna up in there, and all this does is you peel off the sticky stuff and stick it on over this one. But actually all you gotta do is remove your whichever one you have on there, which I've already done. All you gotta do is turn it to the left and it comes out like a screw. And then it comes with these two different screws. Mine uses the smaller one. And then you just take this little ring and put the screw through the ring and then screw it on right there. So I just have a screwdriver to do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and show you that part. So that is what it looks like there. You can just see I screwed in the wire there, and then all you gotta do is take this alcohol cleaning pad it comes with and then clean the paint here to make sure it's clean for the sticky double-sided like sticky tape there, and you just pull off this paper here and then stick it on and it should be good to go. So here's what it looks like when it's finished. It fits really well. I had to sand the inside of it a little bit because it was really tight around the antenna, so it's hard to press down, so I sanded it down to fit better. And then after that, the adhesive is really strong and it works perfectly, and it's color matched to my car, so it is the right color too. So this is a really cheap, good mod to make the exterior of your car look better. And I'm probably gonna wrap my roof black, so I'll probably have to take it off then re-wrap this part black and take the antenna out just to make it easier. But I do really like the way it looks, so please leave a like and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at NickJoeKnapp, just the same as my channel name, and I will see you in the next video.